Hey YouTube, it's Doug here from Bessie Custom Fab. I'm not actually working on the Pontiac today. Got some other shit going on. Stick around. Did you get a count on those? I think there's 56 of those. And I think there's 36 of these H-frames. So it's all pallet racking. They were too tall for what the people needed, so they cut them off. And what I'm doing is I'm taking the cut off pieces from the top and making them into new bottoms. So they did kind of a poor job of hacking them off. So I had to pull these guys in, weld it up there, hack it off. There's some of the pieces I cut off. I didn't have to cut off a bunch. I mean, I had to cut off almost every one, but just a little bit. And then I'm putting foot pads on the bottom, like that, so that they can bolt them to the concrete and make a whole shit ton of pallet racking. So it's gonna take me a couple days, but I've got all the repair work done on this awful stuff. That was no fun to do. And now I'm just putting the foot pads on all these ones, and all those, and one pad goes on each one of these, so that's pretty straightforward. But yeah, it's not glamorous. Hollywood, here I come. Bessie Custom Fab. Like and subscribe. Rock and roll.